Hello everyone. Hi, this is Dr. Meenakshi Chauhan and welcome to Planet Ayurveda YouTube channel. Today I am going to share some good information on PCOD. As in my clinical practice, I have seen a lot of young beautiful females facing problems of acne, weight gain, hair fall, facial hair, mood swings, scanty flow, irregular flow and whatnot, and the underlying cause is nothing but PCOD. So after a good discussion with my team and my assisting doctors, we have come up with very useful information on PCOD regarding clearing out all the myths on PCOD and sharing some good authentic Ayurvedic information. So here to my team, my colleague Rohini, she will be updating you about what are the symptoms and how a female go through these and how it can be diagnosed at the early stage so that we can control and get rid of this problem as soon as possible.
Hello everyone, today we will be discussing about Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, often called as PCOS or PCOD. This condition is most common in menstruating females aging between 12 years to 45 years of age. In Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, females generally face symptoms like irregular menses, acne and excessive hair growth and many other symptoms which will be discussed later in this video. Now coming on to causes. In modern science, there is no specific cause for this condition. But if we talk in Ayurvedic terms, then there are three main causes which leads to the occurrence of Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. These three main causes are stress, mismanaged diet and mismanaged lifestyle. Now, as we all know that these days in 21st century, females want to work equal to men. They want to make a unique identity out of themselves. For that, they have to bear a lot of stress in their workplaces. They have to bear a lot of stress at their homes. They have to take care of their children, their husbands, their in-laws. And the females which are going to colleges, to schools, they also have to bear a lot of stress due to assignments, homeworks, which are the part of their curriculum. And now coming on to dietary habits like eating a lot of sweets, eating a lot of junk, heavy food, spicy food leads to the occurrence of Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. And next, and the most important, lifestyle mismanagement. We do a lot of things which are not to be done, ideally speaking. Like we sleep late at night, we avoid physical exercises. These all factors combine and lead to kapha vitiation, which causes hormonal imbalance in our body. This hormonal imbalance in case of Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome is like that androgen, which is a male hormone, is released more in our body, and progesterone, which is predominantly a female hormone, is released less in our body, which is also very important for ovulation. Hence, there is lack of ovulation and further lack of periods. If this condition, the Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, is ignored for a long time by a female, then it can definitely lead to infertility. But don't you be worried. For the management of Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, Planet Ayurveda offers its anti-ovarian cyst pack, which contains Kanchnar Gugul, Punarnava Mandoor, Pradrantak Choorn and Chandraprabhavati. These all products together helps in pacifying kapha and regulates menses. Thank you.